So what is all this commotion about this car? Apparently, this is a self-driving AI car. Guess it went rogue, and now the boss wants it out by the end of the day. What do we do now? I can't sell it. I can't sell it either. Shame, because it'd probably be worth about $1 million. We'll just leave it here.
$1 million, you say? Those sleazy salesmen just made the biggest mistake of their lives. But who could I convince to buy a car worth $1 million?
Gosh, I don't know what cars you're right for me. I'm not an expert on automobiles.
You're in luck, my friend. I've got just the car that'll make you go hog wild.
Thanks, Daffy.
This is our newest model, complete with a 600 horsepower and 4-wheel drive. Normally the price is $2 million, but just for you, buddy, I'd be willing to split the price in half. What do you say?
$1 million?
$2 million. But since you're such a dear friend of mine, Pork, I've offered you the deal of the...
No thanks. I'll settle for something something cheaper.
I can't let you do this, Porky. You don't know what you're doing. This car's perfect for you.
Well, I really don't know. I feel like I'm barely acquainted with it.
How about a test drive, then?
If it's just a test drive...
Here we go.
Daffy, you need keys to start the car.
There's no keyhole. Ah, here it is.
Well, it does have 600 horsepower.
Not only that, but this baby is perfect for off-roading.
I don't think this car is meant for...
Nonsense, Pork. This is a state-of-the-art high-tech vehicle. Do you really think that
Look out!
What were those two doing in the middle of the road?
Whoops.
Nothing hits the spot like a fresh bucket of milk.
Why was this stupid car shut off? Oh wait, I've got it.
So, Porky, what do you think? You want to buy it?
You crazy duck. I'm not buying this car. Now let me drive.
Wait, Porky. An inexperienced driver like yourself shouldn't be manning the wheel.
I know what I'm doing, Daffy. Okay, hands at 10 and 2.
Hey, those are the idiots that destroyed our farmer's market. Let's get those two son of a...
Nice spare!
What's wrong with this car?
There's nothing wrong with it, Pork. It's in tip-top shape. Which is exactly why you should buy it.
I'm not buying this car.
Porky, you missed the road.
The wheel isn't working.
Step aside.
Mother.
We're doomed. Doomed. This luxury car is gonna kill us.
Well, it could be worse.
It's worse.
What do you mean? Oh, is that a cliff? Well, we are going to have to jump.
Are you crazy? Do you know how dangerous it is to jump off a moving vehicle?
It's better than jumping off a cliff.
Well, I guess the terrain should provide a safe landing.
On 3. 1. You.
Porky, you forgot the...
Ugh. I'm alive? I'm alive!
Speak for yourself.
Aw, to cheer up, Daffy. The nightmare's over. We're safe now.
I'm not crying because we're alive. I'm crying because my luxurious and expensive car is destroyed.
Well, maybe we can still fix it.
You're right. We can still fix it. I can still sell it.
Oh, well, why did I have to say something?